Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to create crew in Blox Fruits mobile. Open the browser from the mobile, then go to roblox.com website. Then log in into your account, then click on create from top. Now click on top left three bars, then click on creations, then click on development items, then click on decals. Now click on upload. Now upload any image from the gallery. Now enter the name for the logo, then enter the description recording logo, then click on upload. Now click on top left three bars, then go to create hub. Now click on store. Now click on top left three bars, then click on images. Now click on any image you want. Now click on get decal from the top left. Then go back to Roblox home. Now click on top left, then go to inventory. Now click on category drop down, then select it as decals. Now select the image you want to use. Now press and hold the bottom link area, then click on copy. Now open the Blox Fruits on your phone, then click on pirate icon. Now enter the create name. Now paste the copied link. Now click on create. By following these steps, you can create Crave in Blox Fruits mobile.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.